I'll be showing you how you can check the total amount of money you have spent on your Steam account. So first, what you're going to do is open up your Steam, and you're going to click onto Steam Support right here. And here you're going to click onto My Account right here. And here you're going to click onto Data related to your Steam account. And here you're going to scroll down until you find External Funds Used. Just click onto that. And here it is. This is the amount of money you have spent on your Steam account. So that's it, guys. Now you can reflect on how much money you've wasted on Steam, and you'll never get that money back. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.